Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy DIY moisturizer. Take a bowl. Aloe vera gel 3 tablespoons. Glycerine 1 tablespoon. Saffron infused in 1 tablespoon rose water. Mix well. Castor oil or almond oil 1 tablespoon. Shea butter 1 tablespoon. Again mix it. Mix until the butter dissolves. Benefits of the product: deep hydration, supports skin barrier, soft and smooth skin, soothing effect, improve skin texture. Now, the DIY moisturizer is ready for use.